Did you know that today there are artificial intelligences capable of creating realistic images, 3D figures, and even doing Photoshop-level edits without you having any prior knowledge? The most surprising thing is that you can achieve all of this simply by typing a text instruction. And one of the tools that is getting a lot of attention is called Nano Banana AI. In this video, we're going to discover together what makes it different, how powerful it really is, see examples in action, and, very important, discuss whether it's a safe option for any user. Nano Banana is an artificial intelligence platform that combines several functions in one place. With it, you can edit images like Photoshop, generate 3D figures, or simply write a prompt and let the AI create amazing digital art. You could say it's like having a graphic design and 3D modeling assistant that works with you, but without needing to be an expert. Now let's talk about what really matters. What can Nano Banana do? First, it can perform advanced image editing, change backgrounds, adjust colors, or remove objects. Second, it can generate realistic 3D models and figures, something that would normally require much more complex software. It can also create artistic illustrations from simple text descriptions, and best of all, it allows quick modifications without wasting time on complicated tools. All this in just minutes and without technical knowledge. Now let me show you in action what Nano Banana can do. For example, what if we merge a photo of Billie Eilish with one of Michael Jackson? In seconds, you get an impressive fusion, like an impossible collaboration come true. Want something more fun? Imagine a polar bear wearing a hat, beach clothes, and drinking coconut water on the beach, happy and relaxed. Just by writing it, Nano Banana turns it into a unique and very realistic image. And if 3D is your thing, just ask for a dragon in origami style. In just seconds, you'll have a 3D model that not only looks amazing but can also be used in creative projects, presentations, or even in the classroom. It's like having a full design studio on your own computer. The real magic of Nano Banana lies in the prompts, those instructions we write to bring our ideas to life. And here there are no limits. The clearer and more creative you are, the more spectacular the results will be. For example, imagine asking for a mountain landscape in oil painting style. In seconds, you get something that looks like it came straight from a museum. Now try a 3D video game character with futuristic armor. Nano Banana not only generates the design, but does it with a level of detail you could actually use in a real project. With Nano Banana, every prompt is an open door to your imagination. This AI understands both simple and complex instructions with one of the best comprehensions on the market. With so much creative power, the question also arises, is it safe for kids? Nano Banana is designed for all types of users. But as with any AI, it's always recommended that parents supervise minors to avoid exposure to inappropriate content. Overall, it's safe, easy to use, and a great ally for students, content creators, and anyone curious about experimenting with new technologies. In conclusion, Nano Banana AI not only surprises, but opens up a world of creative possibilities. From image editing to 3D generation to artistic illustrations with just words. And now I ask you, what's the first thing you would create with Nano Banana AI? Leave it in the comments. I'd love to read your ideas. Remember, the access link is in the description so you can try it for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. That helps me a lot to keep creating more content. See you in the next video.